Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new chat in the ChatGPT app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the ChatGPT app, and here it opens up in messages. You can just type straight away and it creates chat. But if you want to create a new chat, then you just swipe right or tap on these three lines in the top left corner and tap on the new chat button at the top. You tap on this, and here this is a completely new chat. You can check in the history if you have started these chats. You can just switch between them. I haven't started any yet, so there isn't really stuff to switch between, but yeah, you just tap on this and it creates a new chat. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.